In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts on Wix in 2025. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear. Whether you're new to Wix or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you import your contact list efficiently, setting you up for more effective communication and engagement with your contacts. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to wix.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already signed in, use your credentials to access your Wix dashboard. Successfully logging in brings you to the main control panel where all the magic happens. Think of it as your virtual command center for managing your website and customer interactions. After logging in, look towards the left-hand side of the dashboard for a menu. Here, you'll see a section called Customers and Leads. Click on that option. This section acts as a hub for all your customer management needs, allowing you to keep track of your contacts, leads, and any interactions you might have had. Clicking this option will take you directly to a new page dedicated to managing these valuable connections. Next, you'll want to click on the Contacts option, which you can find under the same menu labeled Customers and Leads. This will direct you to your contact list's main page. Think of this page as your digital Rolodex, neatly organizing all the important details you need to communicate with your contacts seamlessly. Once you're on the contacts page, you'll notice a button labeled Import Contacts. This button is your gateway to bringing in more contacts swiftly from various sources. Go ahead and click that button. Doing so will open a new window where you'll begin the actual import process. Now comes the part where you choose the source. Perhaps you wish to import contacts from an existing file on your computer or maybe from another email service provider. Take a moment to determine the source that best suits your needs. After making your decision, follow the prompts to select the file or connect the service containing the contacts you want to import. And there you have it, a streamlined method to importing your contacts into Wix. The process is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even those not too familiar with tech stuff can follow along without hiccups. By the end of this process, all the necessary contact information will be in your system, ready for you to maintain relationships and nurture leads. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now equipped to effortlessly import contacts into your Wix account. If this video made things easier for you, consider liking or subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a great day managing your contacts on Wix.